Let me tell you a truth most men never hear. A woman should see your heart, but not your whole life. Because the moment you become fully predictable, fully exposed, fully uncovered, you stop being a mystery, and a man without mystery loses his power. Here are 5 things a man must always keep to himself. 1. His deepest weaknesses. Every man has a soft spot, a wound, a fear that still shakes him. Share your feelings? Yes. Expose your emotional pressure points? Never. Because here's the truth bomb. Not everyone you trust is strong enough to hold what breaks you. When a woman knows your weakness, she may protect it, or she may use it. Not out of cruelty, but out of human emotion. People react differently when they know exactly where you can fall. A man must heal his wounds in private and reveal his strength in public. 2. His long-term plans. Women love security, but a wise man never reveals his entire blueprint. Tell her your goals, yes, but never every detail. Because the moment you expose everything, you lose your ability to adapt. Move in silence. Let your success raise the volume. When a man keeps his direction private, he stays in control of his life. Not stubborn, not closed off, just focused. 3. His financial vulnerabilities. A woman doesn't need to know every shilling, every struggle, every debt, every pressure. Why? Because financial stress affects love. Not because she's bad, but because worry changes people. Share your progress, not your problems. A man must protect the relationship from unnecessary fear. Lead with stability, not panic. 4. His temptations. Not cheating. Not being unfaithful, but the small temptations every man faces. Admiration, attention, curiosity. A wise man never brings insecurity into the heart of a woman he loves. If you're loyal, your actions will prove it. Don't confess battles you've already won. Protect her peace. She doesn't need every detail of your inner fights. She needs the final result, loyalty. 5. His past pain. Not every story needs to be told. Not every scar needs to be reopened. Your past shaped you, but it doesn't deserve power over your present. Some chapters are meant to be closed, not shared. A man should reveal what helps the relationship and bury what only opens old wounds. Because the truth is simple. The past either builds love or poisons it. Choose wisely. Final note. A man who guards these 5 things is not hiding. He is protecting. He is leading. He is maintaining the mystery that women find irresistible. A man who knows what to reveal and what to keep is a man who can never be replaced.